everyone, welcome. So for the value of x given this exponential equation, we have 13 raised to the power x plus 13 raised to the power x. This is equal to 52. So what is the value of x? Solution. Now this is 13 raised to the power x plus 13 raised to the power x. This is equal to 52. Okay. So since 13 raised to the power x is common, we factor out 13 raised to the power x, so that we'll have 1 plus 1. This is equal to 52. Okay, so we're going to have 13 raised to the power x multiplied by 2. This is equal to 52. Divide both sides by 2, so that we'll have 13 raised to the power x. This is equal to 26. Okay. And then to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm. We'll have log 13 raised to the power x. This is equal to log 26. 26 can be expressed as 13 multiplied by 2. Okay. Now we're going to have log 13 raised to the power x. This is equal to log 13 plus log 2. Okay. So that now you're going to have introduce this property that if you have, that is log k raised to power m, this can be expressed as m log k. So we apply this property, so that we're going to have x log 13. This is equal to log 13 plus log 2. Divide both sides by log 13, divided by log 13, divided by log 13. Okay, so we simplify, so that we're going to have x is equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by log 13. Okay, remember that if you have log a divided by log b, this is equal to log a to base b. Okay, so let's apply this property, so that we're going to have x is equal to 1 plus log 2 to base 13. Okay. So let's verify if this value of x is correct. Let's verify that the value of x, which is equal to 1 plus log 2 to base 13, is the correct value. Remember, if you recall, we have that 13 raised to the power x plus 13 raised to the power x. This is supposed to give you 52. Okay, this is the same as 13 raised to the power x multiplied by 2. This is supposed to give us 52. So we substitute the value of x. So we're going to have 13 raised to the power 1 plus log 2 to base 13, everything multiplied by 2. This is supposed to give us 52. Now, as you can see, you can apply this identity. A raised to the power n plus m. This is equal to a raised to the power n multiplied by a raised to the power m. Okay, so applying this identity, we're going to have 13 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 13 raised to the power log 2 to base 13. This is supposed to, everything here multiplying by 2 should give us 52. Okay, now applying this interesting identity, if you have n raised to power log m to base n, this essentially is going to give you 9. So applying this property, in our case we have 13 raised to power log 2 to base 13. This is essentially going to give us a value of 2. Okay, so that now we substitute a value of 2 back to equation. Then we'll have 2 multiplied by, this is 13 multiplied by 2. This is supposed to give you 52. Okay, as you can see, this is 13 times 2, which is equal to 26. And that shows that this is 26 times 2, which is equal to 52, which is equal to 52. So that means that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and that shows that the value of x, which is equal to 1 plus log 2 to base 13, this is the correct value of x for our equation. Thank you for watching and kindly subscribe.